If you want to learn how to cornrow, stay tuned and I'll teach you how simple it is. To get started, you open up a line, then in front you divide it, then you section it into 3. To learn how to cornrow, you need to know the basics of braiding. I have a video up on that, check it out. You use a middle and ring finger to hold the left, your thumb and index finger to hold the middle strand, then your pinky and ring finger to hold the right strand. Your other thumb and index finger are used to grab onto the hair that you'll pass on to the left side. So the hair at the bottom, you grab it up with your thumb and index finger and you match it up with the hair on the left. So you always want to make sure that the hair that you're adding to is being added to the left. Then you braid once. You will then realize that the hair is now on the right. You repeat this by adding the hair at the bottom to the left side, braid once. Then you realize that the hair again is on the right. So you repeat this process until you get to the end. If you're enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more videos like this. When you get to the bottom, you just braid the hair up as normal. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it to a friend who would like to know how to cornrow, and tell me what you think about it. See you on my next video. Bye!